a society a better place to live. People should live happily rather than have a lot of issues, problems, cases. So I'm sure government is also working on that. We are trying to bring in a new law wherein all these small issues are resolved. And the apartment also, as I rightly said, see, in urban, a village panchayat is an apartment. The whole issue is like a village where all people live together. They are owners of one project, but jointly the ownership is not in one person. It is everyone. So we need to make that living there and coexistence should happen in a good way. So I am sure government also will bring in with a new law which will accommodate all these things there.
The builder has paid a portion of
and apartment association, owners association,
See, this bid
lots of complaints.
No, whatever complaints are there, we'll address it. They can come to media has to address that, and we are open to that. We can take the issues and we can address it. Not a problem. We are available. See, BDA, the chairman or BDA is available for everybody. Anybody can approach. We give time, we meet them, and we resolve the issues. Now all we are online available. You can check how the issues are resolved on YouTube. We are live whenever the open house happens. We are live, so people can see it also. So there's no problem. You don't have to be worried if somebody says you can't go, you can't meet, and all. It's easily accessible, and your problem will be resolved.
Satish Malya, President Bangalore Apartment Federation. Today we had a program for awareness creation for apartment legal issues, and why this is required in partnership with NLS Society of Legal is only to ensure that now new act government is drafting, already done, and Deputy CM previously in the assembly told it will come as soon as possible, and now Mr. D.K. Shivkumar becomes CM. I think we are hopeful that it will come soon in the next assembly session happening in Belgavi this month or next month. So we want to create awareness among the politicians, among the apartment owners, among the lawmakers like the RERA chairman, everything, saying that these are the issues happening. Unnecessarily people are going to the court to find a solution. If this act comes, we can solve majority of our apartment community problem within this law. So that is the purpose of this. Now today some of our members have raised the question of solid waste. Solid waste is the big issue. Even though we are processing our own waste ourselves, the rates have gone very high, which I think government will consider talking to them, and we have not got opportunity to talk to anybody. And since new Chief Minister has come, we have opportunity to meet him. We'll be telling them what all the things we are doing. As you know, you must have understood today's discussion, a 1,000 flat apartment is equivalent to a ward, like a ward committee should run. The sense of the water, energy, solid waste, everything we are managing ourselves. So why not you give some concession or this thing indirectly? Now what is the new things they are selling is 12 rupees per kilo and other things which stop. I think they are not thought of it, why they have made that way. I think working with the government will solve this problem, I feel.
So what will be the main? So now as you also told that the new Chief Minister is D.K. Shivkumar, he was also only in charge of the GDA.
Correct.
So what is the main
two things is
main demands from your
two main demands what we are telling at present is, one is that Act, Karnataka Apartment Ownership and Management Act should come as early as possible. If it comes and it is passed as an act, a lot of problems can be solved. So that dispute will be reduced, so that we need not to go to the court for every time to solve our own problem or our own thing. Second thing now is a garbage issue is there in the city. Forget about our apartment. So that city has to solve the majority of the problem. Is apartment also problem has to be solved, because 20% of the city's 6,000 tons, which is around 1,200 tons, is generated by bulk generation of waste, which is from apartment. So if the 20% of the waste problem is solved, majority of the problem can be solved. The majority of the problem is, that 633 packages and all these issues are going to the court and it's delaying it. At least the apartment bulk generation of waste, 20% of the waste problem can be solved if we talk each other, sit together with the Bangalore Solid Waste Management Limited and us or any other affected party and solve this, so that city will be clean at least. That's what our demand.
So what was the outcome of this program?
This program, I think we able to bring all the stakeholders in one place. That is one objective we achieved it. And second thing is we want to communicate to the new government new chief minister saying that, or no new minister, maybe the Mr. Bairagowda is the GBA in charge. So you want to communicate that there's a city, lot of things are there we can solve, talking to each other, working with each other.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
He mentioned the meaning of proprietors is know your property. So you have to understand the basic laws related to property. That is the main agenda, main from this. And if you have, at least some of the things, if you have understood from this, the purpose of this event is achieved. Okay, that is what I wanted to say, because there are a lot of issues connected with the association formation. And conveyance. Land conveyance is the biggest misconceptions in every apartment. We have to stop this, because if you sell your property, if you convey your land to someone else, whether it is a cooperative society, whether it is a company, whether it is a society, you won't be the owner of the property. The other entity will become the owner of the property. Please understand that, because Karnataka's scheme of development is totally different. Because when you sell your property, when the builder sells the property, he will be selling a piece of land to you also. This piece of land is your undivided share. So you are becoming the owner of apartment plus this particular piece of land. There is no need of selling this land to anyone. The word convey means sale. Please don't use this word random.